What are 3 words in sales that make you sound weak? Number 1 is I think. No one is ever gonna pay you to think that the product is going to work. Instead say, I'm confident. Number 2 is I hope. When you say I hope, it feels like you don't have any control over the outcome. It communicates uncertainty. And a better phrase you can use is I look forward to. And number 3 is I'm sorry. Like I never understood these salespeople that always apologize for no reason for everything. You gotta stop this. Follow my page at @Markus for more.